Onshape integrates structural simulation into your product design workflow for load-bearing components such as brackets. Because these components are load-bearing, managing stress is critical, but they are also never intended to deform much, so linear static analysis is usually sufficient. Let's go take a look at some key simulation features and how they fit into the overall workflow. First, Onshape is a parametric, feature-based modeler, so creating geometry should be a familiar experience. But Onshape is cloud-native, which means it leverages the compute power of the cloud to update the associated simulations as soon as the design is updated. Engineers now have instant design feedback without having to invest in expensive CAD workstations. Onshape always simulates assemblies, and any existing mates between parts can be incorporated into the simulation without the need for any additional simulation boundary conditions. Additionally, you can control if you want to bond touching faces that might not have been captured by the mates. With loading options such as bearing loads available, you can accurately model the load distribution without explicitly modeling contact between cylindrical parts. With unit systems integrated, you can enter loads in different systems, while Onshape takes care of ensuring a consistent unit system for the simulation under the covers. What-if analyses in Onshape are easy to create? Simply add more linear static or modal simulations and change the values of the loads, or turn them off entirely. Switch between active simulations to review the results. Switching back to Simulation 1, we can see that this load case has a higher peak stress. We can adjust a legend to help us pinpoint the location. With integrated product data management, Onshape always saves all design changes. And so, it's possible to go back to previous designs or compare designs. Comparing the safety factor plots between the latest design in the main branch and the original design, we can see that the original design was heavier and had a lower factor of safety. With linear static analysis built right into a cloud-native CAD and PDM platform, Onshape accelerates your time to market by allowing you to test new design ideas fearlessly. Come discover Onshape today.